Manufacturing Day was a successful event in which students were able to work with hands-on activities and were exposed to skills in different careers.
It's a really good opportunity to see what different types of things you can do after high school, so what type of careers you can go to. I feel like there's a lot of different careers here. It's not just one thing, like building a motor. Like, there's building motors, there's like hairspray bottles, you have Legos, you can do so many different things.
Just teaching you about what they do at their company and kind of giving you a little insight on it.
It's fun to have an opportunity to help out and kind of teach some of the skills that we're teaching on a normal basis, but to have younger people coming here the opportunity to learn that. It's a great skill to learn whether you're going to work here or any of these companies, wherever the situation is.
As the day went on, students were able to meet new people and ask questions to prepare themselves for when they enter the workforce.
The impact that we do here for them to understand manufacturing is the whole focus on them being able to make a choice consciously on their careers, and being able for them to interact with people in the industry definitely give them a head start to make better decisions on their careers.
Yeah, I think it's a good partnership as well in making connections. So they're meeting people, they're asking questions, they're learning about it, and then that'll give them a time to go back and they can research as they're looking to make their post-secondary plans.
So manufacturing for me is something that I choose as a career and I enjoy it so much, which allow me to share it why for me is great. Doesn't mean for them will be great, but at least they are able to find what is exciting about the whole industry.